A realm where knowledge converges with inspiration. A sanctuary where aspirations take flight. A crucible where students forge the blueprints of their destinies. This is MREI, Manav Rachna Educational Institutions, a legacy spanning over 26 years, dedicatedly works to create the trailblazers of tomorrow. Nestled within the resplendent embrace of the Aravalli Hills, Manav Rachna is more than just a mere collection of structures. It's an ecosystem, teeming with ideas, innovation, and the spirit of exploration. Comprising 3 globally acclaimed higher education establishments, namely Manav Rachna University, Manav Rachna Dental College, MRDC, Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies, MRIIRS, and a constellation of schools that cater to learning needs till the secondary level. MREI offers a holistic educational experience. The 12 schools by Manav Rachna include 4 Kunskapsskolan schools, which are run in partnership with our Swedish partner, Kunskapsskolan Education. With an extensive network of over 86 global academic partnerships, Manav Rachna kindles the flames of international education and fosters cross-cultural learning, bestowing upon its students a truly global perspective. To catalyze innovation, elevate the quality of education, and fuel economic progress, Manav Rachna has joined forces with 100+ industry leaders, including luminaries like Microsoft, Quick-Heal, Amazon Web Services, Intel, and many more. In collaboration with these industry giants, dedicated centers of excellence have been established to bridge the gap between academia and practical experience, making the world of work a living reality for the students. The coveted NAAC A++ accreditation, QS 5-star rating, QS iGauge Diamond rating, and a glorious past in QS University Asia rankings place Manav Rachna among the big leagues of higher and school education. The thriving Manav Rachna community encompasses over 1,000 research scholars engaged in exploration across more than 30 diverse domains. State-of-the-art research and innovation facilities provide these scholars with an ideal platform to refine their practical acumen, encourage collaboration, nurture innovative ideas, and showcase their ingenuity. Notably, the campus houses pioneering Springer Nature Academic Research Lab. Manav Rachna's proud alumni base stands as a testament to the institution's impact. These distinguished MRIs have spearheaded transformative advances in their respective domains. At Manav Rachna, the ardor for growth, skill development, progress, and refinement is an ever-pervasive force, propelling forward-looking innovation.